Hello class, this is the second section. Formulas is section 1.2, formulas and applications. The objective of this section is evaluate formulas and solve a formula for a specified letter. So this is the definition of a formula. A formula is an equation that represents or models a relationship between two or more quantities. For example, a equal pi r squared. Now, let's refresh your memory of the last section. We learned about an equation. This time, we'll focus on the application of it. And you see, a formula is an equation that represents or models a relationship between two or more quantities. If you remember, this is the formula for the area of a circle. The area of a circle is equal to pi r squared. Okay, so this is circle. We're looking. This formula represents the area of the entire circle, and for this circle, its radius is r. Okay, the radius is r. If r changing, area changing. If you enlarge the radius, the area is enlarged as well. That's the relationship between these two variables. All right. Well, this section is more like to learn the applications and learn how to solve the formula or the equation for the variable we're looking for. That's only two main goals. So let me start with the example. This is number 38 in your book. I'm not going to write down the problem, so I'm going to read over. This is number 38. Exercise 38. Full-time equivalent students. College accommodates students who need to take different total credit hour loads. They determine the number of full-time equivalent students, F, using the formula F equal to N divided by 15, where N is the total number of credits student enroll in for a given semester. This is N, the number of credits student enroll in for a given semester. Part A, determine the number of full-time equivalent students on a campus in which students register for 42,690 credits. Okay? And part B is solve for the formula N. So let me write down what the given are. Solution. Again, I recommend you get my lecture notes. It'll help you follow along with this. So first, the solution is, we're given that F number of full-time students number of full-time students and total number of credits student enroll in for a given semester. Total number of credits all right, and part A, we're given that the N is equal to 42,690 credits. Okay, we're given, remember, N is the total number of credits student enroll in for a given semester. So we got that, and then the question is find F. Now, what is F? F is the number of full-time students. We're given this formula right here. We're asking to solve for F, given N. All right. So solution. We have F equal to the given formula, F equal to N divided by 15. Substituting N 42,690 divided by 15. Simplify, you would get 2,846 students. Okay. Now, I would like you to write the statement describing what this number represents. So I would expect you to write, thus, there are 2,846 full-time equivalent students. Okay, let's quickly describe what this number represents. All right, and make sure you stay the units if possible. And then part B is solve for n. Okay, we know that the formula given is that f equal to n divided by 15. We need to solve for n. Now, did it ring the bell? We need to solve for n. And this is n divided by 15. Look like we need to use the multiplication principle. So, to obtain the n, you just need to multiply 15 on both sides. Now, if you still don't see it, that's okay, no problem. You can rewriting the right-hand side right here to 1 over 15 times n. Just factor out the coefficients of this term right here, which is 1 over 15. Now, your goal is to solve for n. That means you want to solve n equal what? So, you want to obtain a coefficient of 1. But for now, you have the coefficient 1 over 15. So you need to eliminate this coefficient. And you can do that by multiply both sides by 15. Right? 15 times 1 over 15 is 1. So I would have here 15 times f equal to 15 times 1 over 15 divided by n. Simplified, we have 15n right here. Sorry, 15f right here equal to 15 times 1 over 15 is 1. So we have 1n. 1n right here. We're almost there. So 1n is n equal 15f. So make sure you write the answer in terms of the left is on the right hand side. The left is on the left hand side. So n is equal to 15f. Okay? So that's complete exercise number 38. Let's see here.